If there's a fire in my house and I could only save one skincare product, and it's just one, it wouldn't be my retinol. It wouldn't even be a 200 ringgit fancy moisturizer. It'd be something like this. Now, I know it sounds crazy that the world is actually obsessed with retinol, but today I'm going to make a controversial argument. It's time to ditch the retinol hype and embrace the true skincare powerhouse that deserves a permanent spot in your house. Now, we're talking about vitamin C serums, why they can replace retinol for most people, how they tackle everything from stubborn melasma to acne scars, and exactly when and how to actually use them. By the end of today's video, you will understand why keeping at least one bottle of this particular liquid gold is absolutely non-negotiable. So here's the terrible truth about retinol. Sure, it works, but it's disruptive, it's messy, and you often get irritated skin, peeling, purging, and you become incredibly sun sensitive. Now, many people actually don't stick around long enough to actually see results from their retinol. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is like having a protective shield and a repair mechanism working simultaneously on your skin. While retinol is playing offense, forcing your skin to change through skin irritation, vitamin C plays defense and offense at the same time. It protects your skin from environmental damage while rebuilding your skin's collagen from within. And here's the kicker. Unlike retinol, which makes your skin more sensitive and more vulnerable to skin damage, vitamin C actually enhances your skin's protection against the sun when it's layered under an SPF. So let me break down 5 game-changing reasons why this particular ingredient, vitamin C, is a skincare powerhouse with a special focus on complex pigment issues that retinol usually cannot touch. The first is advanced anti-aging. First, let's talk about what everyone wants. Younger, youthful-looking skin. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Now, think of collagen as a scaffolding that keeps your face firm and bouncy. So after the age of 25, we lose roughly about 1% of our collagen production every year. And slowly, that's when the lines start appearing. And here's the science. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor for the enzymes that stabilize and cross-link collagen molecules. That means that without adequate vitamin C, your body literally cannot produce stable collagen. So when you apply it topically, you're actually stimulating collagen synthesis exactly where you're applying it. And over months of consistent use, this typically leads to visible, smoother fine lines and improved skin texture, all without skin irritation and sensitivity that usually comes with retinol. Secondly, erasing acne scars. Now, if you have dealt with breakouts, you know that the real enemy isn't the acne or pimple itself. It's actually the dark marks that follow up. That's what we call post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, otherwise known as PIH. Vitamin C tackles this through 2 mechanisms. First, it inhibits melanin production by disrupting tyrosinase. And this is the enzyme responsible for creating new pigments. And vitamin C also accelerates cell turnover, helping those shadow dark marks fade faster. And what's the brilliant part? It specifically targets overreactive pigmented areas without actually bleaching your normal skin tone. Number 3, getting a natural glow. When your skin looks dull or tired, it's often because the surface is uneven and doesn't reflect light properly. Vitamin C smooths the skin surface at a cellular level, creating a nice uniform texture that reflects light beautifully. Now, it doesn't add a shimmer to your skin. What it does is creates a really genuine radiance from a healthy, well-functioning skin. Number 4, it helps with sun protection. Now, every day, your skin faces an assault from UV rays, pollution, smoke, and all these creates free radicals that damage your skin's DNA and break down your collagen much quicker. This thing known as oxidative stress is one of the primary causes of premature aging. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants for topical use, and when applied under a sunscreen in the morning, it creates a protective shield that neutralizes the free radicals before they even can cause damage. Now, so studies have shown that this combination of vitamin C and SPF actually enhances your skin's sun protection. Number 5, managing stubborn pigmentation. So let's tackle the big one here, melasma. Unlike regular sunspots, melasma is often deeper, triggered by hormones or heat, and notoriously difficult to treat. So this is where vitamin C becomes absolutely critical. Melasma occurs when certain skin areas undergo melanin production overdrive. Vitamin C regulates that pigment pathway, slowing down overproduction specifically in hyperactive areas without ever affecting your normal skin tone. But here's the crucial part. UV exposure triggers melasma flares. So by neutralizing UV-generated free radicals, vitamin C helps prevent existing patches from darkening or even become even more well-defined. Vitamin C works exceptionally well when paired together with another compound known as ferulic acid or even vitamin E. Now, these combinations help stabilize your skin barrier and maintain an even skin tone over time, which is essential for anyone dealing with stubborn hyperpigmentation. So here's where most people get confused. Not all vitamin C is created equal. The type on your ingredient labels matters enormously for both effectiveness and stability. There is L-Ascorbic acid, which is the gold standard. This is the most purest, most potent, and most researched form of vitamin C. Now look for anywhere between 10 to 20% concentration. It's highly effective, but also can be irritating, and it's actually the most unstable form. You have ascorbyl glucoside, which is a gentler, more stable form, which is perfect for beginners or people with sensitive skin. It converts to active vitamin C once absorbed. Now my favorite is SAP, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is water-soluble, stable, and has antimicrobial properties, making it excellent for acne-prone skin. Another one you can look for is tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, otherwise known as THD. Now this is oil-soluble, extremely stable, and penetrates deep in your skin. Ideal for people with dry or matured skin focused on anti-aging. But here's a pro tip. Vitamin C is notoriously unstable, so choose formulas which are opaque in color or even in amber glass bottles to protect them from light and air. If your serum turns brown or orange, now it's already oxidized and it's time to throw it away. So the beauty of vitamin C is versatility, but for maximum benefits, morning application is the most ideal. You want that antioxidant protective layer while facing UV rays and environmental stress. So your morning routine should be like this. First, you gently cleanse and pat it dry. You apply vitamin C serum to clean skin, 3 to 4 drops maximum for the face and the neck. So you wait for roughly about 30 seconds to 60 seconds for full absorption before your moisturizer goes on, and then layer it with your SPF. So this combination of vitamin C plus SPF creates the ultimate protective barrier against aging and hyperpigmentation. You can also use it at night for additional repair benefits, especially if you're alternating with other active ingredients or you prefer a much simpler skincare routine. So vitamin C, especially L-Ascorbic acid, breaks down with light, air, and heat. So when it oxidizes, it turns from a clear or light yellow color to a dark yellow or orange, or even in some cases, brown. Now, at this point, it's really lost its potency and can even be irritating to your skin. So here are the storage rules. Choose a vitamin C in either an opaque or amber glass bottle. Keep the caps tightly closed. Store in a nice, cool, dark place. And you could even refrigerate it. And very important is use within 3 to 6 months of opening your bottle. So remember, vitamin C works cumulatively. You see initial skin brightening within the first 2 to 4 weeks. But for the full anti-aging and hyperpigmentation benefits, you need roughly about 3 to 6 months of consistent use. So give it time, the results are definitely worth it. So here's the bottom line. If retinol irritates your skin, if you're pregnant or you're breastfeeding, or you even spend time outdoors, or even simply you want a more gentle path to better skin, vitamin C is your answer. It's protecting, it's correcting, it's brightening, and it's anti-aging all in one single bottle. Now think of this as an insurance for your skin. It helps prevent daily damage while repairing past damage and stopping future aging. This is why everyone should have at least one bottle in your skincare cabinet. So if this has convinced you to give vitamin C a try, I would like you to hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed skincare, and let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried vitamin C and which brand and which product that you have tried. Drop it in the comments below. I will see you in the next one.